Hello everyone, I am Pratyush Srivastava and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue our Python series. So now we are going to discuss Boolean data type. In our previous videos, we have already covered what is numeric data type, that is your int, float and complex. In this video, we are going to cover the next important data type, that is Boolean data type. Let's start the video now. So now, what is the meaning of Boolean? So in Boolean data type, only two categories are possible. That is true and false. What is the meaning of true? If something is correct, then your result will be true. And if something is incorrect, then your result will be false. Let me take some examples here. For example, I am writing x is equal to true. Print type of this x. Now let's check what is the type of this true. So it is in the form of Boolean. So what is my result? Boolean is my result. Same as it is, I am taking x is equal to false. So false is also a Boolean data type. So here also it is Bool data type we will get. Now next one, here I have written, if something is correct, then you will get answer as true. And if something is incorrect, then we will get answer as false. Let me take one example here. Suppose that I am creating one variable 10. Second variable, I am creating something like 10. And I am checking whether x and y both are same or not. Both are same or not. So if this one is true, then you will get answer as true. And if this one is false, then you will get answer as false. Now here, what is my value of x? It is 10. What is my value of y? It is 10. So 10 is equal to 10. Yes, 10 is always equal to 10. So what is my result here? True is my result. Same as it is here, I am going to write something like 20. Now, x value is what? 10. Y value is what? 20. So 10 is equal to 20. Is it 10 is equal to 20? No, 10 is not equal to 20. So what answer we will get? False. Now next case is where we are going to use this Boolean data type. Basically, Boolean data type is very, very important with conditional statements. So if we want to put some condition, if we want to make any statement as conditional statement, in such cases, your Boolean data type is very, very important, because your Boolean data type will definitely work with conditional statement. And along with this, along with operators also, this is very, very important. Okay. Other than this, one important topic which is related to Boolean data type is how internally Python is considering Boolean data type. So that point you need to remember here. In Boolean data type, so Boolean data type is your true and false. In Python, true is considered as what? 1, and false is considered as 0. Now, how I can prove this thing that true value is 1 and false value is 0? So for that, let me take one example here. I am creating x is equal to something like true plus true. Now, what answer we will get if I am going to print x value? So now in this case, I am going to use plus operator. That is your addition between true, it is a Boolean data type, and this is true. It is also a Boolean data type. So our result is either Boolean or integer. So remember this thing, it is in the form of integer only. Why it is an integer? Because when I am using plus operator, so internally true is considered as what? It is considered as 1. It is considered as 1. And what about this true? It is going to consider as 1. So what is my answer? 1 plus 1, that is your 2. 2 is your result. Why 2 is your result? Because Python is considering this true value as 1 and this true value as 1. And you are going to add these two values. So what is my answer? 2 is my answer. Same as it is, let me take one more example here. True plus false plus true plus false plus true, false. Okay, let's check what answer we will get with this. Everybody, please write the answer in the chat box for this. I want answer from each and everyone in the chat box. So after that, just pause the video and just try to get the answer. Okay. So now let me tell you what is the answer we will get. So again, we are using operator. Again, we are using operator or some changes. Let me do. I am taking some negative values as well. Okay. Let's check. This true is what? 1. This false is what? 0. This true is what? 1. Again, 0. Minus 0. Minus 1. Then plus 0. Now what answer we are getting? 1, 1. That is your 2. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So what is my answer? 1 is my answer. So Boolean data type is important with respect to conditional statement. First point that you need to remember. And second point is internally your true is considered as 1 and false is considered as 0. If you are trying to use addition operator between Boolean data type, then whatever internal values of true and false values are there, that will be considered and your result will always be in the form of integer. So please remember this point. This point is very, very important. So I hope you like the video. In this video, only Boolean data type we have covered. In our next videos, we are going to discuss the concept of sequence data type, dictionary, and set. I hope you like the video. If you are having any concern and want to ask any doubt in this particular topic, please ask your doubt in the comment section. I will always be available for you for taking your doubts. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thanks everyone.